Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is my book. I am dealing with geometrical progression, summary of the geometrical progressions for class 11 CBSE board with code 241. This is a book of Embel Agarwal dealing with exercise number 6.5, question number 14. Question number 14. We have to evaluate the value of this. Find the value. It means evaluate this. Sigma with k as a suffix varying from 1 to 10 bracket 3 plus 2 to the power k. The sum is to be obtained 2 to the power k. 2 to the power k, yes. This is the, this, we have to find the value of this. Evaluate. Up to what? Up, this is to be. Everything is hidden in this equations. ये एक एक्सप्रेशन है, इसकी समरी निकालनी है आपको. सब इसी इक्वेशंस के अंदर सब कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है. इसका मतलब ये है कि वेरिएबल विद द पावर ऑफ 2, this 2 having the power k, and k can vary from 1 till 10. Then we have to find the summary that will be obtained by putting k is equal to 1, 2 and 3 and so on up to 10. It means 10 members of the series will obtain and then summary will be obtained. This is the mark of summation. This means we have to find the summary. How can we do it? A1 can be obtained summary. A1, this will be equal to by putting k is equal to 1. A1 can be obtained by putting k1 is equal to 1. A2, this will be k is equal to 2. For A3, k will be equal to 3 and so on up to A10. Then k will be equal to 10 and that is the end of the series. अब हमें ये निकालना पड़ेगा. Putting this, we'll get here k को 1 डालिए, तो k को जब 1 डालेंगे फर्स्ट आएगी 3 plus 2. This is A1. Okay? Because k is equal to 1. Second आएगी 3 plus 2 k to the power 2. This is A2. This is A1, A2. Now A3. 3 plus 2 to the power 3 is equal to A3. It means 3 plus 2 to the power 4 is equal to A4. We have to find the value of this. It means this is a summary of two series. You are looking here. A1 is the combination of two series. One is only 3 up to 10 times. 2 to the power 10, A10. If we evaluate this, if we summarize this will be 3 plus 3 plus 3 up to 10. Plus this 2 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 4 up to 2 to the power 10. It means now you will see this. This is simply AP. It means 3 times 3 into 10. This is only, this is not simply AP. This is 3 is to be added up to 10 times. It means 3 into 10. This can be obtained 3 into 10. Plus, this is the value of this. Plus this. This is 2 to the 4, 2 to the 6, 2 to the 4 to the 8. It means this is an GP. This is the form of GP. ये GP है. 2 के ऊपर घात 2 के ऊपर घात 3. इसमें R is equal to 2 हो रहा है. सेकेंड टर्म अपॉन फर्स्ट टर्म इज इक्वल टू 2 बचेगा, तो R इज इक्वल टू 2 है रेशियो, और A इज इक्वल टू यहाँ पर फर्स्ट टर्म इज इक्वल टू सिंपली 2. देन दिस इज द समरी अप टू nth टर्म. इट मींस इट विल बी S10 where A is equal to 2, R is equal to 2. Okay, correct. So Sn can be obtained. This is will be equal to 30 plus S10. Now S10 is to be calculated and 30 is to be added. In that there will be the value of this summary up to k is equal to 1 to up to 10 bracket 3 plus 2 to the power k. Okay. S10. Here r is greater than 1. It means we have to use the formula Sn is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. This is to be used. It means n will be 10. It means Sn, this can be written as 30 plus Sn. This is 30 plus S10. S10 will be a into r to the power 10. It means minus 1 upon r minus 1, where r is equal to 2 and a is also equal to 2. That is 30 plus a, 2 into 2 to the power 10 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. What will the value of 2 to the power 10? This can be obtained. We know 2 to the power 5 is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. It means 32 to the power 2. This is to the 10 to the power 10 हो गया 32 into 32. Okay, this is 1024 will be the value of 2 to the power 10. The value of this 2 to the power 10 can be written over here. This will be 30 plus 2 into 10 to 4 minus 1. That is will be equal to 30 plus 2 into 1 to 23, 1023, and this will be equal to 30 plus 6410. It is 1076. This will be the answer. This will be the answer. Okay. This is a combination of two series. This is to be noted. समझ में आ गया होगा. इस सीरीज में इसका मतलब है कि समरी, ये जो एग्जाई कहते हैं इसको, एग्जाई का मतलब समरी होता है. इसका डेफिनेशन मैथ्स में समरी माना जाता है. कब तक की समरी? जबकि के की वैल्यू 1 से लेकर 10 तक वेरी कर रही है, जिसमें 3 के ऊपर कोई के की पावर नहीं, तो 3 तो 10 टर्म तक 3 प्लस क्या 3 विल रिमेन सेम टू द 10th टर्म. एंड सेकंड पोर्शन विद एडिशन में है, इसमें के की वैल्यू 1, के की वैल्यू 2, के की वैल्यू 3 रखी जाएगी. तो फर्स्ट पोर्शन द समरी विल बी रिमेन 10 टाइम्स 3 प्लस 3 प्लस 3 प्लस 3 प्लस 3, A1 में, A2 में, A3 में, A4 में, अप टू 8 and 3. Second portion 2 to the power k है. It means 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5 and so on up to 10. So this will be, if we add this, in order to obtain this, इसकी वैल्यू जोड़ने के लिए इन सबको जोड़ेंगे तो 3 portion 10 टाइम्स आएगा. That is equal to 30. This will be the form of GP. ये GP हो जाएगी, जिसमें A is equal to 2 है, R is equal to 2 है, और हमें S10 निकालना है. S10 में हम ये वाला फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे because R is greater than 1. So that it will be, this formula will be used. Sn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Where n is to be used as 10. When we will use n equal to 10, then the summary of this portion up to 10th term will be obtained. Here 30 plus A into R to the power 10 minus 1 upon R minus 1. Where R is also 2, A is also 2. It means 30 plus 2 into 2 to the power 10 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. That is why we have not written here R minus 1. R minus 1 is equal to 2 because R is equal to 2. R minus 1 is equal to 1, that is R is equal to 2. This is 30 into 2 into 10 to the power 10 is equal to 1024. 1024 minus 1 is equal to 2 into 1023, that is 1046 plus 30. This will be the answer of the summary. So it means the answer will be here. Answer will be 1076. Concept is very much clear, I think so. Thanks for watching my video, and please remain in touch with me, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, thank you, good night, good luck.